Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so they can talk. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi and signed into the same Google account. This is how settings and apps sync. Once done, enable Bluetooth and necessary permissions, contacts, storage, and location, so transfers work smoothly. If an app requires developer options for USB debugging, enable that next. These steps remove permission roadblocks and let automatic sync and direct transfers proceed without interruption. You'll now trigger the actual data flow. Go to Settings, Accounts, pick Google, and tap Sync Now to push contacts, calendar, and basic settings. Then confirm Google Drive backups, backup app data and device settings on the phone, and restore on the tablet during setup or in Drive settings. Install matching companion apps, photos for images, messages for SMS, Drive for files, because like-for-like apps handle their own transfer and maintain consistency between devices. Finish by moving large files and finishing restores. For photos, use Nearby Share or Google Photos Backup and wait for upload, then download on the tablet. For documents, use Drive and select Restore. Make sure you restore device settings and sign into each app on the tablet. Once everything is in place, verify permissions and test key functions like notifications and messages. If things go wrong, first confirm both use the same Google account and Wi-Fi. Then restart devices and retry the specific
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.